I am the MotoGrapher. In 2019, I embarked on the journey of a lifetime on the fantastic Indian-made Bajaj Dominar 400s, christened as the xBhp Dominar Great Asian Odyssey. The road trip went from New Delhi, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, and finally to the tip of Singapore and beyond to Sri Lanka. Here we go. Our morning started with hiking in Bandipur, and frankly hiking in riding gear is always difficult, but the views on the top made all worth it.
Today we are at this beautiful hill station in Nepal. It's called Bandipur, about 150 kilometers from Kathmandu, the capital, and this place is amazingly beautiful. So today we are going to go to Kathmandu, where we have meet with bikers from the capital of Nepal, and there are a couple of people from Nepal Drive who have come here to receive us and to ride with us till Kathmandu. One of them is Sopan, who's holding the camera for me, and the other one, Max, is in the hotel. So looking forward to it. We have these Lenovo ThinkPad machines with us that are keeping us going and making sure that we give updates on the go as soon as possible.
So now we are heading out of Bandipur. This guy is like the key maker in the Matrix scene.
So right now we are on the way to Kathmandu, where we will be having a meet today in the evening at around 6:30. But right now we are standing on this bridge which actually connects the eastern ranges of the Nepal mountains to the western ranges of the Nepal mountains.
En route to Kathmandu now.
Wind blast on a naked motorcycle like the Bajaj Dominar 400 can make you tired very quickly, especially while riding on the open highways. So to avoid that, we had installed a bigger windscreen on our bikes during the Odyssey. But now, the new Dominar 400 comes factory fitted with a touring windscreen, which gives you a much better wind protection. You can take a test ride of the new Dominar 400 at your nearest Bajaj dealership. At the moment, let's get back to the Odyssey. So this was one of the only couple of times that we had to use the auxiliary fuel tanks. But truth be told, we actually did not need the extra fuel in the entire journey from Delhi to Singapore. I mean, there were so many petrol pumps in between. But it does not harm if you have a place to keep some more fuel. You never know.
No.
Roti in Nepali thali we
don't have roti. Okay.
So this is rice, plain rice, right? This is aloo kachar, and then this is
Salad.
Salad, dahi, saag, vegetable,
What
green
is this?
beans. This is dal.
This is dal, and this is ghee.
Ghee.
So this is jam which could be around 20 kilometers long, because the Genesis Cafe is 23 kilometers from here and it's showing 1 hour 45 minutes for us to reach the cafe. And this jam has already been continuing for around 3-4 kilometers. None of the cars are moving, but everyone is in their lane, as you can see. Only the bikers, they are taking this route from the side. The roads also have gotten bad. Thank God we are on motorcycles. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, with all this weight, the bike is still performing well. And I must say, this has been a good endurance test so far with the bike. So, this traffic continues. The average speed is around 10 kilometers an hour. That's what we are doing right now. That is all I can say right now. It's crazy, man. The truck's tire is in the air. You can see. Oh, fuck. This is like, oh, hell. I don't know where is heaven, but hell is here. Oh. Damn. Jesus Christ. Give me a break, man. This is Bikers Hub, Nepal, en route to Genesis.
So today on day 6 of xBhp Dominar Great Asian Odyssey, we have traveled almost 1300 kilometers. So right now we are standing in the Genesis Cafe, which is an amazing bikers cafe here. And as you can see, a lot of bikes are parked inside. So we had a meet here with a lot of amazing bikers who came to meet us. The biking culture in Nepal is growing day by day, and we really loved what happened today here with us, which was the gathering of a lot of bikers.
As a professional chef and a motorcycle enthusiast, working in Australia, at one point what I realized was this is not what I want. I wanted to do something. I wanted to live. I really wanted to live my dreams and doing something more than average. So I decided to come back to my home, Nepal. And that's where it all started. I incorporated my passion and profession, motorcycle and cooking. And today's date, what I do is I travel around the country, collect food, collect memories, talk about culture, talk about tradition, come back and put it on a plate and express myself. And I think it keeps me happy. And this is I've incorporated motorcycle along the way because I love it.
Hi XPSP, welcome to the courtyard of Patan Darbar Square. This is the iconic historic place of Kathmandu. Next to me is the Krishna Mandir. It opens once in a year, especially on Krishna Janmashtami. And as you know, this place is quite famous. It's a hangout spot because it's surrounded by the temple, and the way this culture has been preserved. So people like to come in here. It's quite vibrant. Usually the youngsters, they come during the evening, while the older citizens, they hang out during the morning time. They enjoy their cup of tea, gossiping and all those things. So yeah, welcome to Nepal.
The Patan Darbar was one amazing place, full of energy, vibrant. There were a lot of different kind of people playing music, children, old people, and it was generally a very positive place in Kathmandu. And after this, there was yet another square called Basantpur Darbar Square, and it was time to head over there.
Right now we are at Basantpur Darbar Square in Kathmandu, and behind me is the Palace of Living Goddess. So in Nepal, if a girl child is found to have all the 36 qualities as described by our Vedas and Puranas, she is handpicked by religious leaders, by the priests, and is brought to this palace. And here she is treated as the living goddess, and all her education is taken care of by the government, and she lives here till she attains puberty. Till then, she is not allowed to go outside. Once she goes outside of this palace, the search for the new goddess starts, and this cycle repeats. So this has been going on for many centuries now, and strange customs we have around the world.
What could be even better than starting your day among the great motorcycles? So we are right now standing at the house of Mr. Saurabh Jyoti, who is the director of Jyoti Group here. He's actually also the chairman of Honda in Nepal, Shaka. So without wasting more time, I think let's go to the man himself and talk about his passion for the bikes and see some of his bikes here. You will be surprised to see them.
Saurabh has met his match from India, I think. And Saurabh, how old are you? Can I start asking that?
I'm 25 with VAT and taxes, and maybe GST also you can add a little bit.
So how much percent is GST? 18, 25%, how much?
So I'm 45 now.
45, it doesn't look like 45. See, this is what happens with people who are in motorcycling. They look young. How many motorcycles have you got?
So I can't reveal that, it's a secret, but it's I try to have as many motorcycles as the number of years. So.
Wow, I mean, that is amazing. May you live more than 100 years.
Thank you.
That is my wish, and after that I can take care of your motorcycles. All right, so, sort of starting from this is actually a very rare motorcycle. Why did you pick this up? I mean,
We are distributors for Honda.
Okay.
We sell the motorcycles here for
Right.
over 50 years.
Right.
So in the auto show last year, I needed something that was different, eye-catcher, a crowd puller. So we decided to get this motorcycle because I particularly like this. It looks very futuristic.
Saurabh's collection and his man cave actually deserve a dedicated episode, so stay tuned.